Now we are in Trimble Access and we are on site, so we're gonna see how to download the data that has been uploaded from the office. So the first thing that we need to do when we join Trimble Access is click in the user, in that guy there, and clicking sign in inside of Trimble in our Trimble ID. We need internet for it. Introduce our password. As soon as we are inside of Trimble Access, we can see a few projects that are, for example, only in our logger, other projects that are in both sites, in our logger and as well in the cloud, in Trimble Connect, and one project that is only in the cloud in Trimble Connect and is pending to download, so we can select the project and click in download, or just click in that icon. When we've got different files, in that case we are going to download the green ones, and we've got a few problems with those ones because they already exist in our logger. We've got two options at that moment. We can keep the original one or overwrite the local file. In that case, I'm gonna keep the original file. That is ideal if we are working with a design model and we want to force the team to work with the last design model. If we use the same name, we will be able to overwrite always the existing file. We choose what we want to do with those ones that are in red, and we are going to download the rest of them. So as I mentioned before, we've got here two options. If we don't have any project, just go directly to new job, and for example today's day 22/02/22 can be quite useful to write down who is the user that is working with that one. Select the correct template. In that case it will be OSTM15 because we are going to work with GPS, and just clicking accept. Our project is completely empty, but if we click in the layer manager, we will see all the data that has been uploaded from the office. We've got in point files our control points, so we can just click them and we will see them in our map if we do Atom extension. We can go to map, and in map we will see all DXF, all CAD drawings, and as well the surface if we've got any surface. Each surface can be as a TTM or XML. Just select any of them and it will be displayed directly on our map. DXF as well, we can display the full DXF or just layer by layer. And now we are ready to work with those elements, stake out those lines, stake out the point, etc. In that case, just as an example, what I'm going to do is just keying a few points. So as soon as we have done our job, we can upload everything back to the cloud. So how to upload everything back to the cloud is just coming back to jobs. Previously we have been exporting this job to a memory stick. In that case, what we are going to do is just change the status. If it is in progress, or if we have finished with that job, just clicking finish, and the system will automatically upload the job back to Trimble Connect. So that job is ready to work with it in our office. If we want to work with an existing job coming from Trimble Connect, what we need to do is again clicking that icon to download that job, that JXL, and as soon as it is there, we can open that one. It will open that job, and we can start working with that one. And again, we can display our control points and grab our GPS and start measuring a few points. As soon as we have finished, we can come back to the job and upload the data. If we choose the option to leave the project in progress, everyone will be able to see that I'm still working on it, and tomorrow I'm gonna keep working on that project. Or if for whatever reason I cannot come back to that project and I need another colleague to finish that survey, I can click in plus and assign that project to a different one. So in that case, Barry will be able to see that project and he will be able to keep working with this project. And that's the field part. All data uploaded in the cloud and ready for the office to download and start working with this data.